14th at 5:30, and we are on our way to the Cape Verde Islands, leaving the beautiful, I should say ruggedly beautiful, island of Tenerife behind us. Tenerife, one of the Canary Islands. We were there for a couple of days. It was nice to do a bit of exploring. So 5 days or so from now, 800 miles or so, we'll be in the Cape Verde Islands. And I hear it is absolutely spectacular there. So looking forward to seeing it. So Dave's peeling up some potatoes. I'm going to parboil them and turn them into crispy, parboil them and fry them and turn them into crispy English style chips to go with the burgers Maggie's made. So we're going to be feasting tonight. And it's very apropos that we're having burgers, because in a restaurant last night I asked for a burger and fries. They brought a plate out with French fries and a patty and two slices of tomato. That was it. That's what they call the burger in that restaurant. I wanted to tell them all, you suck, but I didn't. I behaved in a very gentlemanly manner. Said nothing. Okay, so goodbye.